welcome back to Newfoundland Gardener. I am finally home again, and I got a lot of work to do, but glad to be home. It's good to be home and to get out in the garden again. It's fall, as you can tell by the leaves all around. The good thing about fall is time to collect those seeds that you thought that you wanted to get some seeds from. So I got a little cucumber here. I was late sitting this little fella, but I left him alone. Told the wife to leave it. He's gone. Nice and yellow. So this little fella is going to be harvested for me to get some seeds for next year. So I'll utilize the little cucumber as well, but I'm definitely going to make me some seeds for next year. So he's gone nice and yellow. So he's ripened and he growed on the vine. I sat this little fellow late, probably in I'm going to say August, mid-August, somewhere around there. So the inside of this one is going to have seed. I'm going to be collecting those. This little yellow tomato, I'm definitely going to be collecting some seeds from this little fellow. Now, since I've been gone away, they all got the ground's really wet, so they all split. So soil's wet. It's been raining there for weeks. So that's what I'm at this morning. Collecting some seeds. Anyway, I'll go in to the kitchen, set up, and follow me on this little cucumber seed trip. And see, I'm going to move my my parsley that is sitting there out in the weather. The cut-offs is here. Going to move into the basement, I think, and putting under the grow light now, letting continue to grow for the winter. So this guy's going inside. That is the parsley. I'm not sure. Got my sticks lost. I think it's going to say rose. I'm going to say rosemary, but I'm sure. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comments below. Not the first time I was wrong, you know. And coriander? Would I be right in calling that coriander? I'm not sure. Am I right in calling this coriander, folks? But anyway, it's my tree herbs. I got a grow light in the basement. I'm gonna move my tree herbs inside. I'm gonna set it up so I don't water the top of the soil. Just let it absorb up through the bottom. And that way I don't get those nasty little fungus gnats all around the garden, all around the basement. Worst thing about bringing something inside is those little fungus gnats. This little fellow's done some good. And now, time for me to reap the harvest. He's done wonderful. So, journey with me in the next couple of days as I dig the spuds. They're filled on the ground. Some tomatoes, some carrots, some beets out there. So needless to say, I'm home. I'll be popping up some content. So this is the cucumber that I just brought in from the house. I'm after the seed. So this little fellow grew really good on the bridge. So if I could get myself some 10 or 12 good seeds. Oh. And my daughter said she wants some put in pickle. So you gotta wait for your cucumber to turn yellow so the seeds is viable. Everything that needs viable seeds had to be ripe. Hi, buddy. You missed me, what? You crazy. Come on. Yeah, jump up. Hi. Missed me, what? Yeah, I know. I know you missed tormenting you done last night. So, without ruining the cucumber, because I want to eat this fellow too. Excuse me. He always wants to be in pictures. He must be like his dad. So, just give a push. Get the pop those seeds out. Oh, it smells so good. I got a little tub, onions. So, I'm putting them in it. Once I get a few seeds out of it. So these seeds are going to be all viable seeds because the cucumber is right. So put them in a tray and get them washed over. Woo! I'm going to give them a little push and get the slime out of them, and I'll get them right back when I use my towel. So the seeds are in a little protective enzyme, like a little slippery pouch, like a little sack. So just got to give them a wiggle and get them out of that. See, they're really shiny looking in the little sack. Oh, pops out really easy though. They won't all be viable. Some of them are small and immature, but should be pretty good. Give them a little rub. Get them out of that shell. Oh, there you go. Like watching Dr. Pepper Bomber. So they're all out of that little enzyme sack. They're ready to go on towel it and dry. You gotta do the same for the little tomato. Just look at the seeds in that. Give it a wash. They're the same. gently give them a little rub down the bottom of the screen. Because those guys got a little layer on them too. All seeds do. Just a little rub around. Seeds just in fruit do, I should say. Not all seeds. When you're cutting your onion seeds and your turnip seeds, you don't have to do that. But when you add a successful plant, like this fellow, over there all full yellow tomato, when you add a successful plant, it's good to take some seeds from them. Because the seed captures the DNA of your soil and your temperature and your garden and your environment. It's all printed in the DNA of them little seeds. So next year, this little seed is going to do really well because they're in the environment that they were grown in. Makes a big difference, folks, to save your own seed. So from Bob the Newfoundland Gardener, it is great to be home. It's good to be out getting a little few seeds ready for the winter. I brought home some chili seeds too, and one of the guys brought in a chili pepper from work. So I grabbed the seeds at that one as well. So I got my cucumber seeds. I take them out of off the paper towel after and let them dry on wood. Because the paper towel just makes them stick to that little bit of paper towel on them, and I don't like that. So I got some more apple seeds that I'm going to put out and see if I can get them going. So as you can tell out in the garden in the corner there is right there 4 little apple seeds that I grew from last year. So it's great to be home. It's great to see the site on Facebook taking off. 3,300 people now. 3,300 strong. It's nice to see that. It's good to see everyone popping up their videos. Good to see the comments from everyone. Like I said, it's great to be home. It's raining, but it's not a bad rain. It don't do somebody good. That's the saying anyway. So from Bob the Newfoundland Gardener, let's keep growing on the rock. If you want to learn anything about seeds, just start collecting your own so you don't have to buy. And it mightn't be a whole lot of work, but it's that little pack of seeds. And like I said, if it's grown in your garden, it got your garden's DNA, it got your garden's soil, it got your temperature, and it's used to where it grows, so it should do really well for you next year. So have a great one, everyone. See you on the next video. Bye.
Thank you.